Hello. Next, we'll see advantages of e-commerce, disadvantages of e-commerce, and some other things related to online payment systems in e-commerce. Now, let us discuss one by one. Advantages of e-commerce. The main or the important advantages, as my point of view, is 24/7 service. It provides e-commerce provide 24 services while we do the online transactions, or while we do online, when we buy online products. And it also provides a safe and secure online payments. It also provides many other types of communications facilities, or we can say that 24/7 customer support as well. These are the advantages of e-commerce. Now, the disadvantages, sometimes a lack of internet problems while doing the online payment. Maybe internet network can be maybe can be disturbed, or sometimes while buying some products, or while we order some products, that time the online payment can't be done, or some other time, or when we while deliver any products to the customer, it gets lack of interactions, or lack of unavailability of the internet, so that this kind of disadvantages can be occur while doing online, while we doing online, when we buy some products online, or we can say that the e-commerce system. Now, we'll see some online mode of payment. In this one, online payment is, we can while we buy online, it provides, or e-commerce provides safe and secure online payment system to their customers. And we can also do the cashless payment using our debit card, credit card, and e-money. What is this credit card, debit card, and e-money? Let us discuss one by one. That is credit card. What is this credit card? When we borrowing some money to into with our own bank, that is called credit. We can do with the credit cards. We can do with our credit cards. Now, next we'll see the debit card. What is this debit card? In this one, with this debit card, we can deposit our money in our own bank. We can deposit the money, withdraw the money from the bank, or if we want to do the online payment from somewhere, or if we want to purchase something, while we swapping the card, we can buy some products for ourselves. We can do with the debit card. We can do with the debit card. What is this e-money? E means electronic money. This is basically a concept which is used in some example is that Google Pay, Phone Pay, and Amazon Pay. These are the basic examples of e-money. In this one, what we can do, we can transfer the money from one financial institution to another one without using a third medium, without using another medium of that. Means we can say that we can transfer the money from one bank to another bank, one person to another person. Means electronic money we can transfer, and it is as we all know that it is totally paperless and cashless payment. Means electronically we just pay. Means we can transfer the money from one bank to another bank using the medium of that e-money. Apps are there, that is Google Pay, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay. These are the, or BHIM app is also there. These are some examples of e-commerce. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you.